And I'm with
Naty.
Naty. She's a Filipino
Yes,
nurse.
Filipino Chinese.
Filipino
I was a
Chinese.
nurse, and at first I did not believe this, but somebody asked me to try because I have carpal tunnel and I get numbness on my hand. And somebody asked me to try this Longevitology, and it helped. The numbness of my hand is less and less now, so I'm continuing, and hopefully it will be a lot better soon.
What kind of nurse are you?
Medical surgical nurse, and I work with prisoners too.
A tough lady.
Yeah.
Where did you work as a nurse?
In New York.
New York?
I worked in New York until for maybe 40 years, and then I
40
retired
years.
here in Vegas.
What kind of hospital is it?
The last one I went to was a small community hospital with about 50 to 60 patients.
So she's a nurse and she's taking longevitology. When's the next longevitology class? I think it's
have no
November.
idea. I don't know this. You have to find out from Maggie.
Okay, and see, as a volunteer, we get. Well, I purchased a vest, so now we're
I
doing
purchased it too.
right, and I got my ID. So hopefully you'll join us next time.
Yay!